Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to be at the Magic Mega Fun Factory with all these beautiful princesses. What brings you in today?
It's Rapunzel's birthday today!
And we had to come to her favorite spot. Aw, you guys didn't have to do this.
Yes, we did! You've missed so many birthdays cooped up in that tower. We have to make everyone count.
I agree! Let's get started. Each of you ladies will pick a stamp for your token. Once the factory makes the magic token, it'll transform into a surprise toy. Each stamp represents a different toy, so pick wisely and good luck. Rapunzel and Belle, why don't you guys go first? Which ones do you pick?
Ooh, I'll go with the little piggy. I love animals. Hi, Miss Pascal.
And I think I'll choose the Play-Doh can. Sounds good, I'll set it up. I'll use purple Play-Doh for them. Let's cut it! Now stamp it! It's entering the separator. And we're all done! Here we go! Here's Rapunzel's token. She chose the pig stamp. And Belle chose the Play-Doh can. I hope these tokens give them something good. Wow! This is amazing! Just what I wanted! I'll help you open these. Rapunzel got an LOL surprise pet from Series 3. Inside is 7 surprises. There's a secret message, a collectible sticker, a bottle, shoes, a scooper, an accessory, and finally the pet. Let's start peeling. Here's the secret message. What do you guys think it says? I think it says, dress up. This is the collectible sticker. It lets us know that some of the pets can change colors, spit, tinkle, and cry. Check out the halves of the ball. It can be used as a hangout and a bathtub. Oh, look at this cute purple bottle. Here's the scooper. In here we have the accessory. We got white glasses. Let's open this up so we can dig for the shoes. We got 2 blue shoes and 2 pink ones. This stuff is like kinetic sand, super satisfying to play with. Let's see who the pet is. It's Hop Hop from the Cosplay Club. And this one's classified as a fancy pet. I love her bunny ears and her side buns. Time to feed her some water to see what her surprise is. Ooh, we have a Tinkler.
Clean up on aisle 3.
Up next is Belle's toy. She got a Minnie Mouse super surprise egg. I can't wait to see what's in here. Here's the sticker sheet. We have Minnie Mouse in various cute poses. Here's a bag of candy in white, purple, and green. This is the surprise toy. It's a heart-shaped ring with Minnie Mouse on it. Okay, now it's Aurora and Cinderella's turn. Which stamps do you choose?
Tough choices. I think I'll go with the jelly bean. And I'll choose the chocolate square.
Sounds good. Coming right up. I'll use pink for them. Here you go! Aurora made this jelly bean token. And Cinderella was in the mood for some chocolate. Let's see what the tokens get them.
Ah, cute ponies! Mine's cute puppies.
Ooh, those are nice ones. I can help you open them. Aurora got a My Little Pony fashion from Series 6. I wonder who's inside of this. Only one way to find out. It's Lyra Heartstrings. This one's see-through, but normally she's mint green with some white details. Her cutie mark is a Lyra. Run along, little pony. Up next is a Paw Patrol Super Surprise Egg. On the front we have Rubble, Chase, and Marshall. Here's the sticker sheet. Again, we have the little pups whose jobs are policing, construction, and fire rescue. Here's a bag of candy. For the surprise toy, we got a pencil topper with Marshall on it. He's a firefighter and he's always fired up. Okay, sisters, it's your turn. Which do you choose?
I think I'll go with the beautiful pony. Oh, that's a good one, but I'll go with the dressed up potato.
Good choices. I'll go with green Play-Doh for them. Here you go, girls! Elsa chose Pinkie Pie the My Little Pony. And Anna got a Mr. Potato Head token. I hope they get something great with these.
We love it!
Yay, I'm so glad! I'll help you with these. Elsa got a Disney Mystery Vinyl figure. And here's a character from either Chippendales, Tailspin, or DuckTales. The sides of the box show you some of the options. Let's open it! It's Dale from Chippendales. He is more relaxed than his brother, but he's also impulsive, clumsy, and foolish. It's a part of his charm, though. For Anna's token, she got a Cars 3 Mashup from Series 1. Let's find out which vehicle she's taking home. It's Mater. Mater's lived in Radiator Springs his whole life. In his younger days, he used to be a real handful around town, playing pranks on everyone, tipping tractors, saying inappropriate things at the wrong time. but luckily he's matured a lot since then. He's the only tow truck in town, and he's always the first to lend a helping hand. Well, happy birthday, Rapunzel, and happy birthday to anyone whose birthday it is. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!